It is our great honor to present this proposal for Hotel Derrick. The purpose of this research is to identify gaps between Hotel Derrick's brand image and guest perceptions. Addressing these gaps between the ideal and real guests will open opportunities to improve hotel services as well as potentially enhance financial performance. The contributors for this project are Thomas Cardamon, Jingyu Zhang, Kan Pham, Lara Trujillo, and Juan Chen. We are students pursuing our master's degree at the Conrad N. Hilton College of Hotel and Restaurant Management at the University of Houston. This research was conducted as part of a service management course instructed by Dr. Carl Boger. With a convenient and strategic location, upscale amenities, and high-class decoration, Hotel Derrick positions itself as a luxury hotel targeting young, wealthy, stylish, and edgy guests. As the first independent hotel in Houston, Hotel Derrick is an ideal destination for business people, travelers, and locals who want to enjoy a luxury experience. However, there may be gaps between the ideal Hotel Derrick guest from the hotel's perspective and the guests coming and going from Hotel Derrick on a daily basis. To identify those gaps, we use two tools, a brand identity prism and a semiotic square. Identifying Hotel Derrick's brand identity aided in gaining a better understanding of Hotel Derrick's brand image, ideal customer, and goals as a hotel. The Hotel Derrick's identity is represented by a hexagonal prism composed of 6 factors related to the brand and the consumers. The semiotic square was introduced in order to identify 6 consumer groups and their relationships with one another and to Hotel Derrick. Each consumer group's characteristics and values towards Hotel Derrick through their perceptions of the brand's identity prism were analyzed and characterized into 6 consumer groups. By combining the brand identity prism with the semiotic square, we were able to develop an understanding of the relationships between the hotel's ideal image and its actual client groups. Data was collected from several websites, such as TripAdvisor, as well as from personal data collection from several property visits. This data was in turn used to identify existing gaps and formulate strategies to minimize each gap. We first analyzed Hotel Derrick's identity. In terms of Hotel Derrick's physique, guests are immediately cued into the modern vibe that the hotel gives off through its use of color-changing lights, abstract paintings, and black granite floors. These factors play a larger role in helping Hotel Derrick cultivate its customer-reflected image, that of a young, wealthy sophisticate looking for a place to stop during his or her night out on the town. This in turn is complemented by the personal relationship Hotel Derrick fosters with each of its guests. In terms of consumer self-concept, the luxury experiences that Hotel Derrick offers, along with its modern decor, may make guests feel urban and sophisticated, while allowing guests to rest easy, knowing that the name of Hotel Derrick lends them an aura of success and refinement. Guests who stay at the Hotel Derrick are almost immediately aware of the present Texan elements, such as the life-size cow sculpture and cow print chase lounge. The duality of the hotel's personality, business by day, pleasure by night, is a trendy and unique characteristic of Hotel Derrick. The next step in the process was to take an in-depth look at each of the 6 consumer groups and how they fit within the semiotic square. On the left side of the square, there is an observable business scale that presents 2 types of business partners that stay at Hotel Derrick for work: the solo business traveler and the trip with colleagues group. The right side is based upon the guest's level of intimacy with one another when staying at Hotel Derrick for leisure purposes. These transient guests can be characterized into 2 groups: social with friends and have significant others, couples, for example. A combination of businessmen accompanied by their families results in our perfect fit group, work and play. Customers who belong to this group enjoy both business and leisure time at Hotel Derrick. The last and least invested group, located at the bottom of the semiotic square, is the event at Derrick customer. This group consists of event goers who visit Hotel Derrick not because they have any specific inclination toward the hotel, rather because the conference or party they are attending is being held at that particular property. We then moved on to analyze the gaps between consumer segments and the Hotel Derrick's brand identity prism. The research combines the aforementioned information into tables. These tables display the gaps related to each consumer segment, followed by a suggested strategy to respond to the gap. The group Trip with Colleagues is Hotel Derrick's main consumer group. We identified this group as middle-aged businessmen or women who are most often observed wearing formal business suits and engaging in business networking opportunities. The professional demeanor of this group indicates that they prefer spaces that are accessible and classy. They may perceive Hotel Derrick's dark color layout as having a negative impact on their business meeting or conference. We suggest maintaining the diverse design of the hotel, but try to strike a better balance between business and pleasure time. For example, on weekdays, Monday through Thursday, the layout and the service of the hotel should be more business-oriented, and the weekends could reflect more of a transient party scene. The solo business traveler typically belongs to a slightly older generation than the young socialites pictured on the hotel's website, leading us to believe Hotel Derrick may benefit from some more applicable rebranding in terms of its customer-reflected image. Management should diversify the images posted on Hotel Derrick's webpage. Rather than primarily showcasing young elite couples enjoying the hotel's various amenities, the website should encompass more of the hotel's actual clientele. Hotel Derrick is focused on the Have Significant Others group, and this is evident on their website. Their online promotional photos all feature young couples in various places around the hotel. This shows that Hotel Derrick wants to appeal to and attract this particular consumer group. There were multiple couples observed on various days at Hotel Derrick, all stating that they were there to celebrate a birthday or anniversary, leading to the conclusion that Hotel Derrick has a good strategy in place to appeal to this consumer group. It is our recommendation that Hotel Derrick make no changes to strategies to market to this group. Rather, continue with the strategy already in place. Social with Friends customers usually learn about Hotel Derrick through the internet or social media. Because of their inclination towards social media, these guests will use social media to share their experiences at Hotel Derrick with their friends. To improve the relationship with this group, Hotel Derrick can focus on utilizing social media outlets such as Facebook or Twitter to provide information about what's going on at Hotel Derrick. We believe the identified clientele of work and play is Hotel Derrick's ideal consumer group. This group departs significantly from Hotel Derrick's brand identity only in terms of the customer-reflected image. It is our belief that Hotel Derrick has mistakenly identified more developed families for the young and wealthy socialites. Hotel Derrick only needs to accept this group as they are right now in order to maintain this consumer type. Just like the name suggests, the event at Derrick Group consists of customers who come to Hotel Derrick because they are going to an event at the hotel, perhaps a wedding or a conference. This type of customer usually does not have much time to explore the hotel's amenities and does not care about the personality or culture of the hotel. However, they can become loyal customers if they are impressed by their first experience. The hotel should start building the relationship with these first-time guests by giving welcome gifts such as a gift card or food and beverage voucher to use during their stay. As a summary, we have identified gaps in Hotel Derrick's brand image and the 6 observed customer groups that frequent Hotel Derrick. It is our belief that if these suggestions are taken into consideration and implemented, that Hotel Derrick could possibly increase guest satisfaction and profitability. Thank you.